Hey guys, today in this video I'll be showing you how I recycle my bottles. I like to store my bottles a certain way. So as you can see, this is a lot of bottles. I'm a fan of drinking a lot of water and Sprite, Coca-Cola. There's a lot of Coca-Cola bottles as well. Lotion, coconut oil. You have Kendall ketchup. You have vegetable oil and much more bottles, guys. I don't know if you do this, but this is how I do it, and I have way more. So as you can see, this is a next bag. A next bag. Let me pull it and show you. Wait. Give me a second. Let me pull it. So as you can see in here, is way more water bottles. It's a lot. Guys, let me show you. Buckle, full of bottles, guys. It's not only one. This is one, and it is a next bottle. You have, what is this? This is coconut water, because I drink coconut water a lot. Bottles, more bottles. That's how I store my bottles in a guy. And here is the next bag with bottles. Yeah, what I mean. Coca-Cola. I wish we could get a refill. After so much, you have Coca-Cola. I love Coca-Cola, guys. I drink Coca-Cola and Pepsi a lot. Maybe that's a guys, it's good to drink water. Good to drink water. Buckle on the store. I need to carry to the place and do the recycle place make them think or something, because I have way much bottle now. I don't throw my bottles in the garbage. No. I don't do that. I make sure I store them properly, guys. So you guys need to store on a backup. And you know, it is good for the environment. Not throw it on the ground, no littering. So guys, these are the bottles and they're very clean. They're not dirty. I make sure I clean them up and then I put it in the bag. So look at how clean this bottle is. It's a water bottle and it's clean. So guys, whenever I have no to store them, somebody just put them up here. So yeah, more. These are the other few that I have, and the one that I show you.